Hi everybody, it's Carolyn again. We're making everything on the go, so that's why I'm trying to stage information bit by bit as well. So the other thing is, if you can't find anything or something's not there, well, don't panic. It'll either be there and I'll let you know, or I'll let you know that I haven't been able to do it. So this is just a quick video on how to access the discussion board for our workshops next week. This is also for the group presenters if you are presenting in week 5, how to get to discussion board to upload your PowerPoint slides, or maybe you've made a little video, your infographic and any other like resources that you have attached that will help us understand the activity. So we're going to go straight to learning materials like I have in the green menu. Scroll down to week 5. As you'll see, when we go, we have the overview and materials folder, and this is where I've got the class discussion boards linked. So you can, well, I know that it's Cindy's class that's first, so I'm going to click on her class. So that's finding your class. Click to launch. So group presentations, you can open your link there. I've got instructions here of how to click on the reply button. You'll have your comment box open, and then there's a little paperclip attachment icon that's usually used for attachments, and you can upload whatever you like your PowerPoint, video, infographic, or any other supporting documents. So that's for your group presentations. We'll help talk you through when you are in this section, because if you look on your workshop guide, the new one that I've uploaded, there will be some time for you to load if you haven't already, but also time for students or tutors to comment or ask questions. The actual peer feedback that the group gives you, that will be done as confidential, and you'll just need to provide your email address in this when you post your presentation, so that they can email you that. Hope that's a little bit clear. So we're going back to find the workshop activities, so then we'll have time to start our workshop activities. You'll see it on your workshop guide as well, because I've uploaded a new guide. I've tried to make it just really simple, one activity that we can do and see how we can do this. On the day we might actually have to maybe adapt and change, but this is just the starting point. So as you can see, I've written out or copy and pasted your activity. So it'll be a mind map. You're looking at designing a unit of learning. We can talk through this. You can read through this on the day. But how you share it is you go to your reply button and you can upload your mind map, or you can just write dot points or points in a discussion post as well. And this way people can, and your tutor can reply back to your post, and we can create a bit of a dialogue there. But as again, I must say that this is the first time doing this, so we might have to change things around a little bit on the day if things don't quite work that well. So here we go. Good luck, and we'll see you on discussion board. And as I said, no, I actually didn't say, but I'm going to be loading the how to use Collaborate video as well, which is me again talking to you. And on the day next week, if we're brave enough, we can have a little go at trying using Collaborate. But really, the how to use Collaborate is for week 6 and 7, because we'll definitely use Collaborate then. So good luck, everybody. Hope you have some good rest before we embark on our online adventure in our classes next week.